guys, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about Apple Watch Series 3. And I made an old video about this, and yes, I still stand on that this watch is still worth buying in 2022 or even in 2023. But my main concern is why Apple is selling this thing in their website. Well, this watch was released back in 2017. Yes, you heard it right. Back in 2017. It's almost been 5 years and I think I know the answers. I mean, it's a good way to get into this whole bubble of Apple Watch. But if you look practically, what's the biggest difference between Series 3 as compared to 6 or even 7? Take Series 5 also for this case, for sure you can point out some sense by giving some bullet points, but I mean till like there was a big jump in iPhone 8 to 10. Coming back to what is the difference like from Series 3 to 7, all of them does a basic thing that one's want from an Apple Watch, like recording calories, tracking your heart rate, tracking your counts, replying to messages, seeing notification, asking Siri to do certain stupid things, and well, sometimes even to receive calls. I hope I got it all right. Or am I left with anything? I guess with nothing. This is what you need or you do from your watch, and turns out every Apple Watch does that. And that is the only reason why I think Apple Watch Series 3 even after 5 years is right, and it's fighting good. I've been using this from like 3 years, so I am the best person to tell you this, that this watch is not gonna hurt your bank account. But still we'll do the basics for you. Look, I'm holding my Apple Watch for some more time too, but if you really want to buy an Apple Watch, SE is my choice. At the end of it, it's a watch. Whatever you get, SE 3 or even 7, all will be almost the same in the end. I mean, you can see all the reviews that you want to. I'm not gonna be the judgy person here, but see all the reviews that you want to see about Series 7, Series 5, Series 6, Series 4. Compare it on. But I know for a fact that this thing is all gonna do the basic stuff. And I don't know if this watch will get any more updates in the next year, but so far it's on the track. And my take will be safe. Get something which can last more than 3 years for you, and that's why I feel Apple Watch SE will be the perfect choice. It's not gonna break your bank, but it's also gonna keep you updated. Well, with that being said, I hope you all like this video. If you did, do let me know in the comments down below. Subs for more, and again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye.